Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma is a process, a setup of writing the division in the form of an equation which satisfy a particular condition. Basically, we all know about the division and the parts of division. When we divide two numbers or we divide two polynomials, we used to have dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So Euclid division lemma is a process, a setup of writing all these four in the form of condition. But in this Euclid division lemma, we will show all these four parts in terms of the symbols. I am using here A and B are two positive integers, out of which A is the dividend and B is the divisor. So if A and B are two positive integers, then there exist Q and R. They must satisfy the condition A is equal to BQ plus R. This A is equal to BQ plus R is known as the Euclid division lemma. Okay? And the condition is 0 less than equal to R less than B, which means that the remainder which we obtain at the last after division, that remainder can be either 0, can be greater than 0, but the remainder should be always less than the divisor. So once again, Euclid division lemma says that if A and B are two positive integers, then there exist two unique positive integers Q and R which satisfy the condition A is equal to BQ plus R. Now if we look at this four parts A, B, Q and R, so we all know the process of division, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, the same way we have given all this. Let us try to understand this thing with an example. Suppose we are finding out the HCF. Euclid division lemma is the process used to find out the HCF of two numbers. So to find out the HCF, let us take two numbers. Suppose I have 135 and 225. So I have to find out the HCF of 135 and 225. So this we will do by Euclid's division lemma. Now whenever we are given two numbers like 135 and 225, they represent A and B. Now the larger number is A, which is your dividend, and smaller number is B, which is your divisor. Okay, always we consider the larger number to be A and smaller number to be B. Now if we divide this larger number 225 by 135, we have to continue this division till at last the remainder becomes 0. So 135 ones are, we subtract this, so we get 90. Now the process continues and this remainder becomes now the divisor and the previous divisor becomes the dividend. Okay, so now 90 ones are 90, so we get 5 and this is 4. So we got 45. Now 45 becomes the divisor and previous divisor 90 becomes your dividend. So we know that 45 twos are 90 and at last we get the remainder to be 0. Now we will arrange this division in terms of Euclid division lemma to find out the HCF. So here you will write by Euclid's division lemma. I am using short forms. So this step, you can see here we have divided these two numbers in three steps. Step number 1, step number 2 and step number 3. So we will write down all these three steps in terms of A is equal to BQ plus R. The simple order is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So in the step 1, if you look at, so the dividend we have is 225, which is A, is equal to B into Q, that is divisor into quotient. So divisor we have 135, into quotient we have 1, plus the remainder is 90. This is A is equal to BQ plus R of the step number 1. Step 2, in this again same procedure, 135 is the dividend, which is equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Once again, A is equal to BQ plus R. And the last step, step number 3, which is 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. So we write this process of Euclid division lemma for any division till the step where the remainder becomes 0. Now we have to find out the HCF of these two numbers by Euclid division lemma. You can see here in the step number 3, where the remainder becomes 0, we look at the number which divides by which the remainder becomes 0. Like here, first step we divided by 135 and we got a remainder which is non-zero, 90. In second step we divided by 90 and we got the remainder 45, once again non-zero. But in third step, when we divided by 45, we got the remainder 0. That means in the third step, the number which is dividing the number and giving you remainder 0, that is the HCF of two numbers. So here in step 3, if you look at the numbers, A is equal to BQ plus R. So B is given by 45. In the step number 3, B is equal to 5. Therefore, the HCF of two numbers, 225 and 135, is equal to 45. So this way we will use the Euclid division lemma to find out the HCF of two numbers.